Welcome home to 108 Nature Trail in Fredericksburg, Texas. This beautifully remodeled 3-bedroom, 2-bath residence offers over 1,900 square feet of thoughtfully updated living space, where every detail has been carefully curated. From the moment you step inside, you'll notice the seamless blend of modern upgrades and warm, inviting design. The heart of the home is the stunning, fully reimagined eat-in kitchen, crafted with elevated finishes. Custom shaker glass front cabinetry pair beautifully with sleek white quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a premium gas range by Fisher Paykel, creating a space that is functional and beautiful. Whether entertaining or preparing everyday meals, this kitchen is designed to impress. The spacious living room features a built-in entertainment center, making it the perfect place to gather and unwind. Throughout the home, Easy Care luxury vinyl plank flooring provides both durability and style, while fresh paint and updated finishes deliver a crisp, move-in ready feel. The primary suite offers a peaceful retreat with a walk-in shower and double vanity, while 2 additional bedrooms provide flexibility for guests, hobbies, or a home office. Step outside to enjoy exceptional outdoor living with a screened-in back porch, a separate stone patio, and a dedicated barbecue area, ideal for enjoying the hill country lifestyle year-round. Additional highlights include a durable composition roof, classic brick exterior, and the amenities of a gated community. This is a rare opportunity to own a recently renovated home in Heritage Hill Country. This subdivision is an active 55-plus community and offers its residents amenities such as a clubhouse with fitness room, pool and hot tub, and access to walking trails. For more details about this home, the local real estate market, or Mimi and Adam, just visit our website at adamccarroll.com. Thanks for watching.